Hello everyone, welcome back again. Let me show you how Android Auto works in Haval H6. But before that, we need to connect our USB cable to the USB port here. It's on the passenger seat on the left hand side. You can see this is the port here where you'll have to connect your USB cable. So first thing we would do, we would connect this USB cable to our Android phone. Most Android versions would support Android Auto. As per Google, Android 10 and above would have an inbuilt Android Auto function. So when you connect your USB cable, you would see one notification coming up. Now you can see file transfer and Android Auto. Now choose here and then it says Android Auto is available. After connecting the USB cable to your phone, you can see the Android Auto function is now available. When I click here at Android Auto, you can see this is the home screen for you. Now you can see there are applications tab here. You can see what applications are available. If you want to go back to the Haval screen, just click here on Haval and it will take you back to your default home screen. Now let's go back to the Android Auto. Go back to this application and then you can see you can customize all these applications from your phone. Let's say if you want to customize, click here on customize and it will say you unlock phone to access app launcher. Go to my phone screen. So here there are a number of options what you want to see on your Haval screen. As of now I have selected only weather, maps, Amazon Music. All these sequence what is on my phone will be shown on your Haval screen. So if you want to change these sequence, you can do it from here. Just drag it down and it will refresh. When you restart your Android Auto, you will have to remove the cable and connect it back, then only this would show in your Haval screen. Now if you want to add more application, for example right now there is no Spotify here in my Haval, I want to add it. So just click here and remove the cable. So it's gone. Now connect the cable back. It says file transfer and auto available. Click here, go to Android Auto and now go to application. You can see now Spotify has come here on the screen. So this is the way you can do it. Now go to settings. There are other options available on your screen. So notification settings, show conversations, show first line of conversations. You can choose as per your convenience. Startup mode, start Android Auto automatically when you connect your cable. Start music automatically again is set to default to yes. So if my speaker on, the music will start running. Wallpaper, this is a good thing here. You can customize your wallpapers. Right now I have this to light wallpaper. If I want to change it to, let's say, wind, so yeah, it's immediate change. Now you got other option here, day night modes for maps, change layout. So what layout you want to see? So media closer to driver, navigation closer to driver. So it's here because of right hand side driving. So yeah, there are other options as well, like general work accounts. I also use my mobile for my work account, so I can also enable the notification from the work account as well. Other settings can be changed from your phone. You have to go back to your phone and then do setting change from there. If you go back to your Google setting, right, so Android Auto settings, so you just based on your phone you type setting, in my case Android Auto, and then I can see Android Auto here. Was talking about, so number of settings options here, what you want to have it. Again, what you saw on Haval screen is also available here. There are other more settings which were not there in Haval screen. Going back to here, if you click here and then again click here, so it will show us full screen. You can just zoom in, zoom out the way you do on your phone. If you want to use the map, you can type. Or you can give again voice command from here. Only thing is to note that if you are driving, if car is not standby, then it won't let you type. It will only take the voice command. So if you will have to park the vehicle, put the car in the parking, then only it will let you type the address here. So yeah, that's something is important to know. You cannot type the address while driving. So how to give voice command? You can, as I mentioned, right, you can use this button here. So just press it and hold it, and then you can give the voice command to Google.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Yeah, this is how it works. For example, take me to home.
Navigating to home.
Yeah, so this is how it works. It will, if you have saved your address or whatever, it will show there. The screen is very touch sensitive, the way it works on your phone, so it's very nice. Phones, easy, simple. You can have favorites, recents, contacts, so it's all again what you have in your mobile. It will show everything on the screen. You want to give any command through voice, then you can use this one. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please do ask. Stay tuned. I will be posting few more videos in coming days. Thank you.